Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Keep the Change Bank of America 2025. This program is designed to help you save money by automatically transferring spare change from your checking account to your savings account. First, let's start with the basics. Keep the Change is a free service offered by Bank of America that allows you to enroll your debit card in the program. When you make a purchase using your enrolled debit card, the amount will be rounded up to the nearest dollar, and the difference will be transferred from your checking account to your savings account. For example, if you buy something for $2.50, 50 cents will be transferred to your savings account. This way, you can save money without even noticing it. The transfers are automatic, so you don't have to lift a finger. To get started, you need to be a Bank of America customer with a checking and savings account. You can enroll online or through the Bank of America mobile app. Once you're enrolled, you can track your savings progress online or through the app. One of the best practices is to set a goal for your savings. This could be a short-term goal, such as saving for a vacation, or a long-term goal, such as saving for a down payment on a house. Having a goal in mind will help you stay motivated to save. Another key concept is to make adjustments as needed. If you find that you're not saving as much as you'd like, you can adjust your spending habits or explore other savings options. Keep the Change is just one tool to help you save, and you can use it in combination with other strategies to reach your goals. In conclusion, Keep the Change Bank of America 2025 is a simple and effective way to save money. By automatically transferring spare change from your checking account to your savings account, you can build up your savings over time. Remember to set a goal, track your progress, and make adjustments as needed to get the most out of this program. With Keep the Change, you can take the first step towards building a stronger financial future.